sensory activity. First, floating and sinking. Material: bowl of water, various objects, spoon, leaf, toy, coin, and sponge. Activity: let your child drop each item in water and guess if it will float and sinking. These activities provide eye-hand coordination and learning science production skills. Next, bubble play. Materials: water dish, soap, straws, and a bubble wand. Activity: mix a soap in water and blow bubbles. Using the straw, you can use this variation adding the food color. This activity provides color concepts, improves the eye-hand coordinations, and your child can enjoy these types of activity. Next, ocean sensory bin. Material: water tap, toy, sea animal, shells, blue food coloring. Activity: create a mini ocean world, add scoops, cups, and nets for pretend play, learning ocean animals and habitats. From this activity, your child can enjoy the different types of colors and also see animals, and it improves eye-hand coordination as well. Next, pouring and scooping station. Material: cups, spoons, funnels, jugs, and measuring cups. Activity: let your child pour, scoops, and transfer the water between the containers. Learning fine motor skill development and eye-hand coordination skills. These activities improves eye-hand coordination and also finer motor skills development. And next, ice cube play. Material: colored ice cubes made with a food coloring. Activity: let the child explore melting ice and mix colors or a paint in the melting cubes. Learning states of matter and color mixing. From this activity, your child can learn the different types of colors and also improves finer motor skills. Next, wash the toys. Material: bucket with a soapy water, sponge, brush, towel. Activity: pretend play, card wash or a toy wash. Learning practical life skills and also sensory touch. From this activity, your child enjoy and also learn for daily practical life skills. Next, scented water play. Material: water, lemon slice, mint leaf, orange peel. Activity: add natural scent or a refreshing sensory experience, learning smells of scents and natural exploration. From this activity, your child can enjoy and also they can learn from the sense of smell. And the next video we will discuss about nature sensory. So please stay tuned and please subscribe our channel.